guys, so today we're installing the Valkyrie branch guards. We're going to need a 10mm and 11mm wrench, open-ended, because you're going to have to for these. We already got the brackets installed. I did a previous video on that. I'll put that in this video somewhere. And you're also going to need, up here if you look, you need the light bar brackets, which I've already also installed. I'll include a video for that. And I already got this top part mounted. I'm going to show you down here how to do the mounting down here. So it comes with all the hardware. You got your 2 washers, your nut, and your fancy bolt. Okay, don't lose any of this stuff. They're all stainless steel. If you do, you need to make sure you buy stainless steel to replace it, so this way it doesn't rust. So you get your washer, you put one washer on, and you're going to put it in on top of here. You're going to grab your other washer, put it on, and your nut. You're going to go ahead and just quickly put your nut on, tighten it down, hand tight. Your 10mm will go on the inside. I'm going to use the closed end to hold on, and you're going to use your open end on your 11, and you're just going to do that to tighten it down. Just going to, you don't have to go super stupid tight, because I've actually been running these for a little bit and I've noticed they haven't come loose. Alright, so that's how you install that. And now we're actually going to install the cable, which in my opinion is by far the coolest part. What you do, if you look right here, you can see it's got the hole. You pull it down and it opens up the hole, okay? So without opening up the hole, if you want to come over here, or right here, it just slips right into place and it locks itself down. You get full mobility. We're going to go ahead and take this one up here, and might have actually, okay, there we go. And it locks in just like that. And to tighten them down, they're really simple to tighten down. It comes with these nuts right here. These I already got it sized. These nuts you just loosen up, okay? And you're gonna just twist this to tighten it up to the tension that you like suitable, okay? It's gonna give it just a little bit of vibration, but when you're going down the road, I've noticed it actually, the wind pushes it back and it holds it still. They're a lot thinner than the ones that were prior, and they're vinyl coated. It's a stainless steel cable, so they're gonna last you forever. They're not gonna rust at all. And yeah, that's about it. It's a pretty simple install. I'll include in this video, like I said, about the light brackets and the hood brackets itself for the install, because these are actually new to the whole product design. And I'll have a link to Valkyrie's website where you can purchase all those also in the description below. Catch you guys later.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now.